If anyone want to ask a question, they can ask at the end of the session, as well as they can post their questions in the chat box. Okay, sir, can we start?
Yes.
Okay, sir is ready.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, welcome everyone on the platform of vedayuonline.com. And today we are starting our new series regarding diabetes wellness. And today our first topic is diabetes versus stress in a lifestyle. And we have a speaker, renowned Dr. Binoy NJ. He is a MD in Ayurveda psychiatry and practicing at Kochi, Kerala, near Amrita Medical College in Ayur Yoga Gurukulam. So, welcome you, sir, on the platform of Vedayu. And last time
Thank you.
talked about anxiety and Ayurveda aspects. So, we would like to learn from you today on the occasion of World Diabetes Day. It's on 14th November, but we celebrated overall the month, and this year's theme is to prevent our family from diabetes, as we everyone know that in every third person in India there is one diabetes person.
Yes.
And nowadays ये राजधानी बनने वाली है डायबिटीज की. So
Hmm.
and it's a lifestyle disorder. So if we correct our lifestyle, then definitely we will reverse our diabetes. And I personally see many cases that diabetes is truly reversed
Yes.
with Ayurveda treatment. So
Yes.
we have to inculcate the faith in Ayurveda. Okay, Ayurveda is a big option for them to reverse the diabetes.
Yes. Yes.
So dice is all yours, sir. And
Okay. Thank you.
now we would like to learn regarding diabetes. And one of the biggest causative factor for a diabetes is stress, I think.
Yeah.
So dice is yours, sir.
Thank you. Namaste. Good afternoon to one and all. Highly respected my co-speakers and Dr. Siddha, Sandosh, Krishnadas, and who are all going to listen me. We all know diabetes is a very leading problem in society, and a diabetic patient, suppose he is under stressful condition, no doubt the patient cannot be managed. Already the insulin is, maybe the action or deficiency is creating so many problems in our body, and same time maybe physical or psychological, maybe family or social stress can trigger all diabetic complications. So with all your permission, I would like to discuss our topic. This section includes introduction, definition of diabetes, what is the connection between stress and diabetes, and what is the role of diet regulation and exercise, how Ayurveda manage diabetes and stressful conditions, summary and conclusion. Next, we'll move to the introduction. We all know diabetics is a metabolic disorder. When the insulin action is less, or from our pancreas it is not secreted well, or both is present. Some metabolic disorders will definitely arise. Disorders of metabolism means definitely there is a problem with our digestion and our energy level and our action, all areas. So digestive tract break down our carbohydrates. It is done by insulin. So from the food, the digested food materials going to uh, enter in our blood. In that area, insulin have a very good role. What is the role of insulin? The role of insulin is very clear. Help the hormone use the our glucose to all cells. It should convert glucose should convert into the energy. So insulin made in the pancreas, and we all know it is in our stomach. It is located in our duodenum, just below the stomach. The blood glucose level rises after our meal. Immediately, the pancreas is triggered to release insulin. But in case of a diabetic patient, definitely the insulin secretion or use will be less. And this is totally depends on the cell of pancreas. Diabetes develop in our body when the insulin level is not sufficient or it is not effect according to our need. Glucose buildup in the blood instead of being absorbed by cells in the body. So for any action, maybe you are going to play or you are doing morning activity or daily regimens, in all area, the sugar level should be maintained for our good heart function, good brain function, and all organs functions is depend on our sugar level in the blood. If it is increased or decreased, definitely functionally and psychologically, physiologically, it will affect our body, no doubt. We will discuss what is diabetes. We will move to the definition of that. According to modern way, diabetes mellitus is a condition. The glucose is not able to convert into an energy. So body cells not able to use the insulin to convert the glucose to energy. So what will happen in our blood? Either the glucose level will increase or decrease. Both are danger. Both are danger. So we will discuss how Ayurveda is discussing this. So according to Ayurveda, very clearly, our philosophers saying that definitely in the beginning stage itself, there will be a excessive urination. The frequency is increased, quantity is increased, and same time herbidity will be there. So the person who are not suffering from diabetes, please keep it in your mind. Night, and morning, compared to your water input, you are passing more urine. No doubt your metabolism is not good. Some changes is taking place in your pancreas cells. Or according to Ayurveda, maybe your dosha level, or sometime your dhatu level, or sometime your manasika dosha, in psychological dosha level, some change is happening. We all know urine is a waste product from our body. When the waste product is pushing out too much, some metabolism, some problem is there in our. So that toxicity, that unusual or increased kapha level definitely will create a problem in our body, and same time the all organs, all tissues, and in our mind also. It is very clear. Next, we are moving to, according to Ayurveda, what is the cause of diabetes? Please listen carefully. Actually, it's a problem. When something came out from India, or our great philosophers something explained, we will not concentrate on that. But you just go, we will go through the point. Addition of pressures of anything in our sense organ levels. What is in Hindi, in Sanskrit, Asya Sukam. Whenever tongue is more concentrated on taste, suppose you always, all time attached to sweet, Asya Sukham. So Ayurveda is giving a prime importance to a sensor. You should regulate your sense organs. You should not have a addition to your tongue, your ear, your nose, your eye, and your skin. Any addition or any attachment will lead to definitely some disorders. So this is the first point you have to notice in our class. Who are all listening me, you should be the boss of your all special sense. The special sense should not be your boss. Is it clear? Are you able to follow? Any suggestion you can tell me? So you just listen that tongue, ear, and all our special sense. We have to very careful. In your office or to your friends, you hearing too much them. You are biased to the words. Sometimes they are without any purpose absorbing you. That observation creating an addiction to you. So, no, right to that. So we should have a very good judgment on that. And next, our acharyas giving a prime importance excessive use of milk products, curds, and same time milk and all the drinks, food, and activities which is increasing a kapha predominant vata pitta kapha. Kapha is the primary dosha, a very good role in diabetes. And in the last, they are saying all kapha predominant food we should reduce. So what is happening in Prameha, we will discuss. The first one is Purvarupa. Acharya saying Asya Sukham Swapna Sukham Dadini Ramyodagam Anupa Payasa Prayam. So these are all the Nidhana or causative factor of Prameha. Then Acharya is moving to Purvarupa. How clouds are appearing in sky before rain. Like that, before Prameha or diabetes, there will be a crystal clear symptoms in our body and in our emotions and in our mental state. So what Acharya want to state that if we can manage, we can treat the diabetes in the premonitory stage itself, in the Purvarupa itself. It is something very, very, very important. And then it will move to Prameha, and Prameha will leads to Madhumeha. In Prameha, there will be color change. Plenty of changes will take place in the urine level. But in Madhumeha, Madhumehe Madhusamam Jayate. Like honey, our urine will all changes of urine will take place. So now we are going to stress. So we discussed how the diabetes is taking place according to Ayurveda. In the introduction section itself, I told that when a diabetic patient suffers from stress, what will happen? So we will move a small test. All of you, please take a bit of paper and pen. Dr. Sadda? Hello? You can translate. You can help me. You can translate this in Hindi also.
Sir, all people are, I think, joint doctors, so you can tell in English. No problem.
Okay. I find that I don't have time for many of my interested hobbies. I'm not getting sufficient time to do my hobbies. Every day you are feeling like that. Weekly once you are noticing like that, or monthly, or every 15 days. Every day you are suffering. You are such a problem means you can put 10. Only weekly 1 or 2 you can put 5 mark. And monthly 1 or 2 or 3 means you can put mark 2. First question is very clear. We are not getting sufficient time to finish our daily activities, planned activities. The second question, I find I have greater dependency on alcohol, tea, or friends. Every day you are taking alcohol, or you are have a smoking habit, or every day 3 to 4 times you are drinking tea or something. For some area, you are always taking help from your friends. So every day you are doing like that, you can put 10. Weekly 1 or 2, you can put 5. And only monthly 1 or 2, you can put mark 2. And again, number 3, I am unable to do my task. Every day you are suffering to finish your task. You put 10. Weekly, 1 day or 2 times, you can put mark 5. Monthly 1 or 2 means you can put 2. Question number 4. My sexual drive is always lower. There is some sexual dysfunction. Physically, mentally, spiritually, you are all right. But your sexual drive is little bit less. Every time you are suffering from such a problem, you can put mark 10. Maybe weekly 1 or 2, again mark 5, and monthly once. Sometime it is okay, but sometime you are suffering from such a problem, you can put 2. The question number 5. I find myself grinding teeth whenever you are anxious, or you are in aggressive mood, or in a depressive mood, or you are angry. Sorry, that time without your knowledge, you are grinding your teeth. Again, mark 10 for every day, mark 5 for weekly 1 or 2, and mark 2 for monthly 1 or 2. I experience mood swinging and difficulty in making my decisions. I experience mood swinging and same time difficulty in making decisions. Every time, whenever you plan something and you are have a problem to finish it, or during the process you have any mood changes, sadness or aggressive behavior or depressive mood, anything. I have tendency to eat, talk, and drive quickly. All our doctors, maybe this is one of the main Prakriti Lakshana of Vada predominant people. I have tendency to eat, talk, and drive quickly. I feel very tired even when I wake after a sound sleep. After sound sleep also you feel tired. I found myself thought problems even when I am supposed to be relaxed. You are in a very relaxed stage, but inside your thoughts, maybe your thought content creating some problems. Maybe about your personality, maybe about your occupation, maybe about your life partner, whatever it may be. I found myself thinking problems even when I am supposed to be relaxed. My self-confidence and self-esteem is lower than I would like it to be. You have a very good analysis or judgment on your personality that when I do something, my self-confidence and self-esteem is a little bit less. Is it clear? 10 questions are finished. So you are the psychologist to yourself. The person who got mark above 60, you have a stressful personality level, which means in all day, most of the time, all these 10 questions giving a suggestion, giving a knowledge to yourself, giving a self-analysis to you, you are living a stressful condition. And person who got mark above 30, they are nearing to a stressful behavior. Already they finished the habit, or they are in a habitual state. The stressful condition is going to become a habit to you. You have to be very, very, very careful. And person who got above 10, in between 10 and 20, they have stress, but there's yourself you will able to manage. So definitely one question will come. Dr. Binoy also having stress, no doubt. All human being, if he is a scientist or a psychologist or a psychiatrist, student, listener, any persons in the world, definitely they will have stress. But we should know how to manage and how to solve the stressful condition, how we can come from that stressful condition. So what is stress? Any reaction from our body or from our mind to adjust with that response. It is very, very clear in our Ayurveda. Ishtasya alabhat, anishtasya labha. You like to have something. For example, wife want to have a beautiful sari from husband, but husband is not at all giving. Maybe her birthday, you just imagine. So what will happen? Mind, body, and emotion will respond. Why it has happened? Ishtasya labha, alabha. Our dream is not success. We will not able to need. And you don't like something, but it is nearing you. Beautiful example that maybe my talk, the monotonous, or some explanation, or you need little bit explanation in Hindi, but unfortunately I cannot. So you don't like, but it is nearing you. So all these condition, there will be chance of stress. And another condition, you should know yourself what is inside you and you should know what is outside you. You should have a very good self-analysis. What is the weak area of you? What is the negative points with you? What is merit with you? What are the demerits with you? That is self-knowledge. What is inside our body and what is outside. In which circumstance or which area or which society or which occupation or which profession you are. Depends on you should behave. All other condition will lead to stressful condition. You just compare the definition and the discussion given by the modern psychologists and modern psychiatrists and our acharyas. Simple two words. Ishtasya alabhat, labhascha anishtasya. Our thought process will change. Our behavior will change. Our physical activity will change. Our spiritual regimens will change. So, no doubt, we should be able to regulate. We should be able to control our stressful condition. Most of the time, there is a chance of stressful condition in your family life or in your office, maybe in society. But the first point you notice, the second point in this class, you should notice that very carefully. I don't mind. You can under a stressful condition, but you should know why I am this stressful condition. Is it my problem or my partner problem or my office problem or my family problem or a social problem? If it is a problem within you, you should correct it. If it is a problem in your family, you should discuss Sometimes you cannot manage yourself, you should discuss with a very good friend. Even friend cannot manage, you should visit a psychologist. Even psychologist cannot manage, you should consult a psychiatrist. So stressful condition is taking you to a stressful behavior and personality. At the same time, sometimes it will take you a disorder level. All our body body parts and systems and our mind will respond to stress. Coming to the diabetes and stress, we all know that kapha is a predominant dosha in diabetes. If the stressful condition is taking you to in a aggressive stage or a depressive stage, if it is a depressive stage, no doubt kapha and the vishadha avastha, which means our tamo guna, are considered as manodosha, Rajas and tamas. Among tamas will create both. You know that kapha and tamas are very friend. No doubt, you will be in a corner of your mind, you will be corner of your family, and you will be corner of your society. And you are moving the stress you taking to you an aggressive behavior. Vada and pitta will increase and same time rajas will join with them and the vada will decrease. So what will happen? All our body functions will go down in depressive stage. And aggressive stage, we are in elevated mode. Our hormone secretions, our body functions, all granthi secretion, all our glands will secrete more. No doubt, associated with the stressful condition, definitely our diabetes will increase. Again, all our stress and diabetes have a direct connection with our ojas. You just imagine the same person is taking everyday alcohol. The 10 qualities of alcohol is quite opposite to ojas. So unwanted drugs and diabetes with the stress, definitely it is very, 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 very problematic to us. All our immunity power, our physical and mental dosha will move to a upper level, Sanjayam and Prakopa. It will move to Prakopa stage. Definitely, a small triggering factor will take you a disorder. So you have to very, very, very careful. We will take one or two systems in an example. First one is our costum, GIT, gastrointestinal tract. The stress, diabetes is creating a problem in you. Definitely all our internal organs either too secretory or either too dry. In Vata condition, it should be too dry. All the, you just remember that all the qualities of Vata, dryness, Drukshatva, and the Chala property, moving property, and the cool action, everything will increase. So all our digestive activity either in high stage or in a decreased stage. What I mean in Vishama Agni. Vishama Agni is to Vada, So digestion will be in a problem. Constipation will be there. Whatever you take, it will not be absorbed properly. Digestion is not clear. Absorption is not clear. The excretion, the output is also not. What will happen? When the Rasasadu Shreya is taken place, already Kapha is in a decreased stage associated with Rasakshaya. will lead to all our organs in a very stressful condition. And we will move to the last. Because of the lack of rasadhatu will lead to problems, quality based and quantity based decrease in Rakta and Mamsa and Medas, Anasti and Majja and Shuddha. In the Sambrapti itself, in the pathogenesis itself, it is very clear. Prameha is one of the most disorders directly affecting almost 6 dhadus. I'm not going to discuss all the things because there are famous, highly talented speakers are waiting in specific topic. So in Shukra Vagasrodhas also, it will create problems. Whenever you want to have a good sex, there will be a problem with your sexual dysfunctions will be there, premature ejaculations will be there will be a problem in orgasm. All these conditions we will able to manage. I will have thousands of medicine in form of powder, in form of kashaya, in form of tablet, in form of rasayana. So many medicines are there. Again, we will move to the more stressful conditions. Effect on diabetes and stress in our mind. We all know that manayeva manushyanam karanam bandhamokshayohu. Mind is the only causative factor behind our attachment and detachment and our salvation. What will happen? Well, a diabetic patient suffering with such stressful condition, definitely it will lead either depression or anxiety or aggressive or brain block. Okay, so we will discuss about what is aggressiveness. Two physical doshas and one mental dosha have a beautiful role in our aggressiveness. What happened? In Vata, dryness will increase because all our Saumya Bhava is going in our urine. And same time, because of Vata and Pitta aggravation, body is moving emptiness. Yatra yatra shayaha tatra tatra vayu. Where there is shaya, where there is a decrease in dhatu level or ojo level, all in any tissue level, definitely Vata will aggravate. In that subtle and mobile, Charatva property and the other qualities of Vata will increase. In Hatha Yoga Pratipika, Acharya is giving a very good sloka. Chale Vade Chalam Chittam Nichale Nichalam Bhave. When our Vada is in our control, we will able to control our mind. Chale Vade Chalam Chittam Nichale Nichalam Bhave. If Vada is Nischala, you will able to regulate. You will able to regulate your mind also. And come to the Pitta. The Tikshna property of Pitta. And same time Ushna property of Pitta and lightness. So just like a fire in forest, our body tissues will burn. No doubt. For any simple reason. Physically, verbally, psychologically, you will be aggressive. The thought will always be elevated and aggressive. Your action also, you will like to harm others, and you will harm. You produce harm words. Then who is next? The next our mental dosha. What is always talkative. Already due to Vada and Pitta, the person is out of control. And person who is joining with Vada and Pitta already the Rajas is talking, and with more sexual arts. And the last point is very, 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 very important. Malsara buddhi, competitive in nature, unwanted, in unwanted circumstances, unwanted situation, they will create a match. Always competitive in your office, in your to your life partner, to your friends. No. So you yourself have a self-analysis among what are the thought problems, action level, what are the problems I have, and in behavior level and habit level, what are the problems I have. You should cut out today itself. Today itself, you notice what are the aggressive symptoms I have, what are the depressive symptoms I have. You should come to the normal age. Vada and Pitta, Rajas should be in an equilibrium stage. That is why Ayurveda is giving a prime important Prasanna Atma Indriyamana. That is a definition of mental health. Prasanna Atma Indriyamana. You need a Prasanna Atma Indriyamana. No doubt you will be able to control and regulate this. And the next is depression. So what happened? We all know that Vada and Kapha have opposite quality. Only they have same quality in Shida level. So what happened? Lightness and subtle and mobile. Tatra Rusho Legushida Kara Sushma Chalwanala. Chalatwam and other qualities is decreasing. So no doubt all physical activity, all mental activity, Vayu Pranasapnya Pradhana Heduna. Our conscious, our intelligent level, our Indriya Artha functions, all will move down. And Kapha will increase heaviness of body, oilness of tissue, chillness of body, slowness of kapha property, and same time it is stable. You concentrate these qualities is always leads to a depressive stage. Will able to understand a depressive person walk on how they think, how the activities and all. It is something very important. And who is next joining to the tamas? Always in a fearful condition. You just imagine lack of activity, lack of interest, hopelessness, helplessness with fearful condition. We cannot imagine, From stressful condition, that person or that patient is jumped to a diseased stage. Lack of interest in all activity, sleep, sex, food intake, daily regimens on all area. And the tamas itself, it is very depressive in nature, very depressive in nature. Then definitely one doubt will come, sir, Rajas and Tamas is mano doshas. Totally it can eradicate it, no doubt it should be there. Balance, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas, Triguna should be in equilibrium stage. Should be in equilibrium stage. So you should not increase your Vada, you should not decrease your Vada, you should not increase your Pitta. And same time, Rajas and Tamas should not be increased. What are the situations and conditions we discussed in stressful condition and in anxiety and in our diabetes purvarupa and in prameka stage and madhumeka stage, it is coming just 2 dosha plus 1 manasika dosha. In aggression and in the depressive stage. How beautifully our acharyas are explained. Then moving to the next topic. In stressful mind. Brain fog. In all conditions, for all work, our brain need a equilibrium stage of glucose. If it is decreased or in input to the glucose level to the brain is high, definitely brain will respond. That is why you just watch our all preparations, almost all preparations that do Adventists, the Anubana is honey. Honey is kashaya after digestion. It's very so in rasa level it is good for brain, but after digestion it will decrease the madhura rasa or it is good for diabetes. That is why the only thing the honey should very. So our brain should maintain a good sugar level. And it is a fuel, it is the energy to our brain. So maintenance of sugar level in the blood is something very important, and same time circulation to the brain is also very important. So suppose problem in sugar level, if sometime you are in a hyper or hypo level sugar level in your blood, what happened? Decreased concentration. You're not able to concentrate in anything. And mood swinging. Definitely problem in the memory. And irritability. A person with decreased concentration, loss of memory, and same time he or she is very tired and irritability, you just imagine. And same time confusion, always memory loss. When the fuel, the blood increased, the blood with increased glucose level or decreased glucose level is supplying to the brain, definitely the brain will not able to function properly. Difficulty in problem solving because we should need a good sugar level in our brain. All our physical and mental and spiritual activities either decrease or aggravate. So how can we manage our all stressful condition? Okay, what we can do to come out from this stressful condition? In mental stage, we will go to the introduction slide itself. What happened? You should know what is your limitation, what is your capacity, what is your merits, what is your demerits, what is your advantage, what is your disadvantage. Atma Jnanam. Atma Jnanam. So depends on only you should plan your work. And any problem, you should not do too much emotional changes. And in physical changes, social and spiritual changes. So one by one, mentally, where you should correct first, from your thought content itself, you should correct. So already who scored above 60, every day, morning and evening, when you before starting your daily regimen, take a deep breath. 21 times. Breathe in and breathe out. And yourself, you give a beautiful positive command, self-suggestion to you from today onwards, from this time onwards, all my negative thoughts will go out. I will be able to manage and become totally positive. That is Ayurveda giving money. Only mind can control the mind. Mind can manage the mind. He is the boss. And you are a doctor, you are a teacher. You begin the day with, I'm a highly confident and highly talented, a multi-talented person in my profession. You simply imagine yourself. And even in a stressful condition, you try to happy. You forgot all your negative thoughts and feel yourself and make changes in your facial muscles. You try to laugh. You should try to laugh. Try once. You take a deep breath and give a self suggestion to your subconscious mind. I'm very happy. That happiness should express in your face. Your facial muscle should in a beautiful smiling condition. And in physical level, it is very good for regulating diabetes and regulating stress. Exercise is the drug of choice, action of choice. All stressful conditions and stress hormone will come out through our stool and urine and our sweat. Exercise is something very, very important. A person who is within a Vata and Pitta predominant diabetes and stressful condition, you should not advise to do them too much of exercise because already they are in a Shaya stage, Adukshaya and Dr. Shaya stage. That is why they are giving a prime importance Vata Pittamayi from the Vyayama stage. Little Vyayamas you can give. For them, yoga is very good. I think we have a separate section. We have to appreciate Vedayu group because they selected a very, 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 very beautiful subject in this diabetes day. All are very necessary in present scenario and present situation. And social area. You are in a depressive stage or aggressive stage, or you are in a equilibrium stage, you should be very careful. Depends on your mental situation. Mental stage only you should work in society. You got my point? Your mood is not good. Wait. Your mood is very good. You'll able to manage the social problems. You can try. And the next is the spiritual area. Yes. Calm, quiet. Meditation. Relaxation. You practice every day Shavasana. At least 5 to 10 or 10 to 18 minutes meditation. You concentrate your breath. Definitely all stressful condition will come. We conducted a study, diabetes with the stress. No medicine, simple yoga asanas and pranayama and relaxation techniques, some diet regulations. You cannot believe without any medicine, everybody is under control. They are in a low blood glucose level in the body. So we should come out very good research work. How our acharyas given in Purvaruva level itself, when the patient pass the urine in that area, the hand will come. Like that, all area, emotional level, physical level, mental level, spiritual level, body level, all area we should able to examine, and statement should be correct, research work should be correct. Adhyanam, Adhyapanam, and Satvidya Sambhashanam. And coming to the management, we all know here the problem is mind. So psychotherapy is something very important. I told you first a physician. The fifth point, who are practicing? Suppose who are hearing me, in your case sheet, you should add 3 more questions. Are you suffering a stressful condition? A personal stress is there, family stress is there, or occupational stress is there? If say yes, why? If it is a family problem or a personal problem, you have any behavior problem or a personality problem, definitely you try to manage that. You simply tap the back of the patient. No problem, we will manage. Ashwasanam. Ayurveda is giving prime importance to Ashwasanam. Ashwasanam is the counseling. Tam ashwasai sukurthumva vakye dharmartha vajagayi. All psychotherapy, behavior modification, all is explained in Ayurveda. So give a prime importance to Ayurvedic psychotherapy. And second is internal medicine. We already discussed Ayurveda is a we have very good single drugs combinations and drug formulations for controlled diabetes and stress. No doubt. Our Saraswata Churnam, our Nishakatagadi Kashayam, best drug of choice is Triphala. Triphala is good for skin, Triphala is good for brain, Triphala is good for GIT, Triphala is good for brain. It's very good. It is because amalgam is one of the main ingredients. It is very good for diabetes also. So like that, according to the level of mind, body, and our atma, we should select that one. No doubt, Panchakarma is having a very beautiful role in diabetes and stress. All cleaning sections. Simple Vamana will eradicate all aggressive stage of Kapha. Virajana will reduce all Pitta predominant doshas. It will regulate Pitta and Kapha also. And family therapy, something very important. The family itself, no. What is the cause for the stress to that person? Unless after treatment he is go back to the family, again family problem will start, patient will come back. And Murdani Dailam, no doubt, Shirodhara, Takradhara, Shiropichu, and Murdani Daila. Daily application of Daila on head depends on your disease. If it is Vadapitta, you try Chandanadi, Himasagaram, Belaguluchadi, Shirabelam, Belahadadi, and depressive stage, Mahanarayanam, Narayana Thailam, hot inducing. Oil is a medium. What drugs you are putting and how you process depends on it will change. If you put aloe vera, ushira, and all Sita property, the oil will be Sita in nature. Got my point? And next is yoga therapy. Yes, all Ayurvedic physicians should appoint in IP level. You should appoint a yoga teacher. Morning and evening, one treatments and internal medicine also. And same time, morning and evening, very good yoga sections will give tremendous relief in all problems of diabetes and stress. Next, coming to the sleep, food, and exercise. Yes, food. Here the physician is patient itself. We face so many problems because we always give good medicines. We advise them you should do like this Patya and Apatya. And Patya, for Patya Apatya also we have a separate section. Sleep. Yes. In stressful condition in diabetes, minimum 8 hours sleep is very, very, very mandatory. Already we discussed exercise is very good for stress and diabetes. No doubt all this condition is connected. Shariram hi avam abhi sattvam anubhidiyate sattvam ja shariram. There is an inseparable connection between mind and body. So you should have such a philosophy in your mind. If you treat simultaneously, you should treat if you treat body, you should treat simultaneously treat mind also. If you treat mind simultaneously, you should treat body doshas. So when you planning to regulate the rajas and tamas, that same important you should give to the vada and pitta and kapha. Total our 5 doshas. So you don't bother about the seat of disease, name of disease, beautiful quotation by Charaka. You concentrate which dosha is aggravated, what symptoms patient is presenting in front of you. You just manage out of which dosha. It is something very, very, very important. Almost my discussion points are over. So I think comparing to all medical system, Ayurveda is very beautifully explained. We didn't touch most of the point because we have a separate section, diet and yoga and all. Only I concentrated in Rajas and Tamas and Vada, Pitta and Kapha, how it is, how the pathological stage of dosha, Sharirika dosha and Manasika dosha, and how to manage. And already we discussed that we have very good medicines, single drugs, group of drugs, Arista, Asava, Legia. Only thing in diabetes, Legia and Arista, we should be very careful. We should not increase the sugar level. Then lifestyle is something very important. And you should give prime importance to individually. Where the psychological problem is due to physical problem or the physical problem is due to psychological or both. Mana pradhana vyadhi and sharika pradhana vyadhi. Depends on the management should be. You should give definitely some exercise and very good medicine and advise them. Direct them in a direct way. I think we can stop here. Time is over. Any doubt or any query you can.
Have a query, they can post it on a chat, or else they can message me, so I will convey to the sir. And thank you very much, sir, for a nice session and how minutely you teach us about stress and its effect on a diabetes.
Thank you, doctor.
Today I came to know about the importance of minute history taking regarding psychological through psychological aspect also.
Thank you. That is something very important, doctor. We don't ask the question, patient, you have any stress?
Psychological aspect.
Yeah.
Okay.
In our clinic, the number of patients is less. Even we can do some counseling also because we are free. So the patient will have more attached.
And how beautifully you told about that Ashwasan Chikitsa also.
Yeah.
just a single tap will give a Ashwasan Chikitsa.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. And we'll meet on the next Sunday. And tomorrow also we have a next session with Dr. Avinash on the juvenile diabetes. So stay tuned with us with this whole week. And bye bye for today. And we'll meet tomorrow at 5 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you.